Look at this. Why is that side shorter now?
What?
Okay, so what I want. Okay.
I'm telling you what you want. You want to get rid of this dead blonde hair. Yeah, over there, and over there. A bit at the back. And yeah, we just want a little trim pretty much. Maybe we'll leave some of this. We'll leave some of that.
Oh wait, no. I want to cut it. Sorry. Here, right? And then we can style it from there.
That's exactly what I was saying. In fact, that's why I'm the professional here.
Oh, get my bin so it just lands in the bin. Excuse the banana peel.
Are you sure about this? Am I just going through it?
Not really. Oh, I thought you were a professional.
Oh, I am a professional, but you didn't tell me what kind of style you're going for, you know.
We'll go from there.
Let's do this. Should I go strand by strand? Like, just strand and... That wouldn't come straight though. Because if I cut it all together, this wouldn't do this. Then it look like a curve. If I cut it all together like that, I'll do it. You know what? Just trust me.
But don't cut too short because I'm scared if you mess it up.
So what I'm gonna do is...
Go like here.
Going straight through there, yes, exactly. So... Actually, I've done it. I'm doing it. Too late. You can't go back. Ooh.
Your head.
Oh, down.
I could feel it on my leg when you dropped it. Oh my god! Oh my toes. Look how much! There's so much hair! You know I don't really usually get my hair cut this much. No, look at this. It's like, oh, this looks quite nice actually. Oh, it feels so weird. Oh my god, I look like before and after.
Not bad. Okay.
My hair feels healthy though. It feels soft. Oh, sorry.
Oh wait. Oh, actually, yeah, that's good.
Do you want a comb?
Oh yeah, that would be nice.
Oh, I was hoping you said
Oh, I
no.
can just straight.
Oh yeah, I should have brushed my hair before this.
You didn't. No, you did.
Oh, I should have. You like drop it all on my leg. I feel it on my feet, and I think I'm stepping on it.
Need like a protractor or something.
A protractor. Well, not college, but school.
Wait.
Oh my god. Look at this.
What? Oh yeah, that's why I'm trying to carry it down.
Cuts by Baz. Highly recommend.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah, it's diagonal. Not diagonal. This is like, no, this is the thing when you go. Also, what is this?
Oh.
wait. Look at this. Can you see it?
I don't think you can. Oh yeah, actually, yeah, you can. Stop moving. Stop moving. I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna fix it.
Your hands are cold. I don't want it shorter than this.
Oh wait. Yeah, that's definitely not.
Yeah.
And the back too.
I feel like you went like this, and then
Oh,
it just got longer
like
and
this,
longer
yeah,
and
pretty
longer.
much.
Wait, let's see the back.
It's longer. It's longer than.
Oh yeah, like her haircut.
Yeah, pretty much. I was about to say that.
You literally did her haircut, like one side shorter than the other, but hers is styled like that. Talking about this, by the way.
Oh, there you go. I wish I could get rid of your shoulder. Oh, yeah, but then you lean in this side. Is that fine?
No.
Yeah, I can see where exactly I started going.
Yeah.
It's not easy to be an hairdresser, you know? Like, I thought it was easy.
What are you doing?
I don't want to mess
Are you
up.
nervous?
No, I'm not. I'm a professional.
Oh my god. Oh no, I think the last proper like hairdresser I went to for like proper haircut was when I went to Malaysia when I was like, I think this is like 10 years ago. I think it was like, yeah,
10 years?
over 10 years probably. I think it was like 2008. Today is a very windy day in the UK. Is it too short? Is that side shorter now? Why is that side shorter now?
What?
Look, this is shorter than this side.
I checked it like 200 times. I was like,
That is a bit shorter though.
this was here, this was this.
Whatever. It's so weird. I haven't had like my actual hair, like hair color in I think like 6 years.
No, it's nice.
Oh my god, it feels so weird. Oh, that looks disgusting.
I don't know why. It's literally that bit that rests on your shoulder.
What bit?
This bit.
Should I do this?
Oh, yeah, actually, maybe it's better.
I can't do it for long. What do you want for dinner? I like it.
Of course.
I wish my hair was a bit longer so I can just get rid of this bit. Because how stupid does this bit
What?
look? This is like some weird...
Oh,
Like, it looks like I just dyed my tips. Like, but just not like everywhere. I just had like, let me just go do this bit and do this bit here.
gives you a little bit of a cut.
It's gonna be so weird though, me having all black hair. This is so itchy.
Yeah, you have a lot.
Oh my god, if I tie up my hair.
You can't, I don't think you can. Can you?
Okay, so this is it. This is the final look. I actually kind of like it. Do you like it? Do you like my new look?
Yes.
Oh, so itchy. It feels so much more healthier. Like the ends of my hair were just dead.
Yeah,
Like,
that's exactly what I told you, To make your hair seem healthier and feel healthier, you have to cut off the hands.
I thought you were going to say to make your hair be... What did you just say? Anyways, that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if Baz did a good job. Would you go to Cuts by Baz? Anyways, see you guys in my next video.